Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a Tuesday morning haul and a little bit of a Joann's haul. It's not a big one, but I want to share it with you guys. First, I found some stickers from Tuesday morning. This is from the Horizons collection, and it's $2.19, and this is what it has. I've been wanting this because I've been using the Horizon collection a lot, and it's puffy. So cute. This is perfect for like a traveler's notebook or anything travel related. Mini albums. Love it. So that's what it has right there. And of course, this made me happy. This made me super happy. This is the Pick Me Up from Paige Evans. How cute is that? How pretty. How beautiful are these? This is my favorite, I think. The flowers. And that flower right there. And then, of course, the words. Super cute. And then the next one from Tuesday morning. I only got 3 things from Tuesday morning, actually. This one for 4th of July. It's like a silver with blue foam in it. So this is silver, the top, and then the blue is inside. See? Right there. I think this would be perfect because I have a 6x6 doodlebug collection for 4th of July, so I think that would match perfectly. And then this one is like a trim from Joann's. I also went to Joann's, quick visit to Joann's. As you know, Joann's and Michael's are our friends right there. So I'm going to try to put it with some collections. Ara from the Paper Treasury adds these tiny little pom-poms to her projects, as well as Liller, so they inspired me to do that. And then I got a gold paper because I'm gonna try to make these. I'm gonna try to make more of these. It's just gold. I used my Tim Holtz globe die, and I don't have any more because I made so many mistakes. So this is the Tim Holtz die. I made so many mistakes that I'm out of the gold. So that's what I want to do, because I want to play with the Hello collection. So right there, I copied that one. This is the bigger version of it, but that's the one I copied. So cute. I'm still waiting for my typewriter die and my phone die from AliExpress. So that's all in the works. And then this one, I'm going to put some glue there because mine got stuck. And then this one I was enabled by Bona, Live Love Scrap. She got these Fab Lab quality bags. So I was thinking of putting some crafty mail in there, and I got this size 80 self-sealing bags. So that's it for my Tuesday morning and Joann's haul. I hope you enjoyed my very small haul. Anyway, guys, have a wonderful crafty day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Have a wonderful day. See you next time. Bye!